You always hear about softness in Tai Chi, but how can you fight if you're soft, right? It sounds backwards. So one day I broke it down for my training partner, Ru.
The softness that they refer to is just the opening of the joints. It's not this. So it's not like just touch my hand, don't touch. So it's not this. And it's just like this. So, joints. So if you push forward, see, it's like this. Push. See, this one is easier now than when you're doing the safe move. When you push against my hand. So yeah, you push, go. Like, come on. You see that? So keep pushing like that, just relax. Push. Yeah, push. See, it's not. Oh, push. Like that. Push now. I'm going to use it. See the difference there? Yeah. And then you can feel I'm tense. I'm tense when I move. So that's why if you just have your hand up, like you keep like it's fine. So you just, yeah, just stop it. So you want that looseness in your joints. Open this, yes. Up like this. It will start feeling, because it's opening, it's inside, it's opening, feel a bit tight, because you open it. It's the same thing with the legs.
It's called soft, but it's not about being weak. It's about being loose, opening the joints, the fascia, the connective tissue, so the body can absorb force and release it effortlessly, like this. So when we say softness, we're really talking about being loose, not stiff. That's where the confusion comes in with the term, for example, hard. Here, I was training with Liam, showing exactly what that difference feels like. Watch this.
So I'm just gonna show you. So what I was saying is, let's say if you look, like you grab my wrist tight, not like strong, like tight. Like you see now, this is me fighting.
And when I say me fighting, I'm referring to me being stiff, thus giving a resistance. Listen some more.
Yeah, but what I'll do is from here, I'm like this. So I can even more relaxed. I can, even if you resist it like that.
Yeah, that's crazy.
See, it's like if you put the one hand here, you'll notice it's not this.
Yeah,
See, I really say from here, I can.
that's crazy. That's
I
crazy.
release. Yeah.
Just like in the form, you're releasing excess tension, letting the whole body move in harmony. I've even helped movement coaches like Eduvi on Instagram, go follow him, and others refine the same principle. So if you're a martial artist still chasing those secrets or a high performer looking for an edge, hit the link in the description or pinned comment. Up next is a free lesson for my training with Liam. Listen closely, take notes, and drop a comment on what you've learned.
You're squatting, but it does. You know what I'm trying to say? Yeah. It's not about the muscular. It's about your mind being able to release.
Yeah.
So, for example, I'll show you. So let's do. If I do, so you can stand like that. So you push. Okay. Yeah, you can go. Okay. It's like you're rooted, man. That's the whole point. And the harder you push, see, I can even talk about it. The harder you push, the more tired you're gonna get. Yeah. Yes. Yeah.
As you, so keep your hands like this and just gently drop down, squat. Gently. So it's like this. So if I grab, okay, if I do this right like this, I release. 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 Just it. So already you're floating already, yeah. But if you go like this, I go and I was gonna say that. So yeah. So it's from the start I'm already here. Okay. So I can, if you put your foot back, like stand strong, like yeah. So already there, and okay, if you give me force, that makes it easy.
Ah,
So if you just touch, okay? No, just gently touch. Like you just touching. Like for some people what they do is they relax their hands. So this happens. Do you so I can also that's what I do. So like this. Seize, boom, move. Yeah, you already got. So but if let's say if you were then to resist, if I go like this, you resist it. So then you stand like this. So let's say you push, you can stand like this, like push, like put your with your hands against you. Yeah, like first and then push. So let's say if I'm using force, like you can use, if I'm gonna try and use force. So you quite heavy, right? Now you push it. Now the moment I relax, push. You see the difference? And then you will get more tired. It's like you're like, what the fuck? I'm gassed now. And then you move. That's